Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about Unit 2 Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom. First one, atomic structure. What is the atomic structure? Atoms are made of smaller particles called electrons, protons and neutrons. An atom consists of a cloud of electrons surrounding a small dense nucleus of protons and neutrons. Electrons and protons have a property called electric charge, which affects the way they interact with each other and with other electrically charged particles. What is the neutrons, protons? What is the neutrons? It's a subatomic particles. Neutrons is a subatomic particles forming part of the nucleus of an atom. It has no charge. It is equal in mass to a proton or its weight 1 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. Protons. What is a protons? It is a positively charged subatomic particles forming part of the nucleus of an atom and determining the atomic number of an element. It weighs 1 atomic mass unit. What is the electrons? It contributes greatly to the atom's charge, as each electron has a negative charge equal to the positive charge of a proton. It is located in cells that surround an atom's nucleus. What is the nucleus? It's the central part of an atom, which is composed of protons and neutrons and contains most of an atom's mass. Who is the John Dalton? John Dalton, born in Copland, England. His theory, John Dalton theory, that atoms are indivisible spheres that are neither created nor destroyed. Atoms of the same element are identical. Atoms of different elements have different masses. Atoms can be rearranged and combined in fixed ratios to form compounds. Next one, Thomson's model of an atom. It's a very important 3-mark question. According to Thomson, an atom is similar to a Christmas budding. The budding has positive charge and the electrons having negative charge. We are like bumps on the budding. He proposed that an atom consists of a positive charge sphere and the electrons embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude, so the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. This is positive budding, this is negative electrons. So another one important question, Rutherford's model of an atom, or Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment, or Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Rutherford's allowed a beam of fast moving alpha particles. Listen, Rutherford allowed a beam of fast moving alpha particles having positive charge to fall on a thin cold foil. He observed that, first point, most of the alpha particles passed straight through the gold foil. Second one, some of the alpha particles were slightly deflected by small angles. Third one, very few alpha particles appear to rebound. First point, most alpha particles are undeflected. Second one, a few alpha particles are slightly deflected. Last one, a few particles bounce off nucleus. Defects or limitation of Rutherford gold foil experiments. Any particle in a circular orbit would undergo oscillation, and during oscillation the charged particles would radiate energy. So the revolving electrons would lose energy and fall into the nucleus and the atom would be unstable. we know that atoms are stable. Rutherford's model of an atom. Negative charged electrons in orbits around the nucleus. Very small positive charged nucleus. Next, this is Bohr's model or Bohr's atomic models. A very important 5 mark questions. Bohr's atomic model. Explain Bohr atomic model and limitation. The first one, the Bohr model. The Bohr model as an atom at listen. The Bohr model as an atom consisting of a small positively charged nucleus orbited by negatively charged electrons. Second point, electrons orbit the nucleus in orbits that have a set size and energy. Third point, the energy of the orbit is related to its size. The lowest energy is found in the smallest orbit. Radiation is observed or emitted when an electron moves from one orbit to another orbit. Okay, this is nucleus. N equal to 1, first orbit, second orbit. The Rutherford Bohr models of hydrogen atom Z equal to 1. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Therefore, Z equal to 1. Or a hydrogen-like ion where the negatively charged electron confined to an atomic cell encircles a small positively charged atomic nucleus, and where an electron jump between orbits is accompanied by an emitted or observed amount of electromagnetic energy, H nu. The orbits in which the electron may travel are shown as gray circles. The radius increases as n2, where n is the principal quantum number. The 3 equal to the third orbital to second orbital. Transition depicted here produces the first line of the Balmer series on for hydrogen. It results in a proton of wavelength 656 nm. Nm is nanometer. It's a red light. It's a limitation of Bohr model or limitation of Bohr's atomic model. It is in violation of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The Bohr model considers electrons to have both a known radius and orbit, which is impossible according to Heisenberg. The Bohr model is very limited in terms of size. For spectral protections are obtained when larger atoms are in question. It cannot predict the relative intensities of spectral lines. It does not explain the Zeeman effect when the spectral line is split into several components in the presence of a magnetic field. The Bohr model does not account for the fact that oscillating electrons do not emit electromagnetic radiation. Electron configuration. First point, the distribution of electrons among orbitals in an atom. An atom can be configured without drawing or illustrating any of the s orbital, b orbital, d orbital and f orbitals. Two ways of determining how electrons are arranged in an atom. First one periodic table and second one diagonal rule. First one, Davison and Germer experiment. Davison and Germer experiment. The wave nature of electrons was experimentally confirmed by Davison and Germer. They allowed the oscillated beam of electrons to fall on a nickel crystal and record the diffraction pattern. The resultant diffraction pattern is similar to the X-ray diffraction pattern. The finding of wave nature of electron leads to the development of various experiment techniques such as electron microscope, low energy electron diffraction, etc. It's a very important 3-mark question. Planck's quantum theory. According to this theory, listen. According to this theory, the transmission of energy takes place in the form of small packets. The small packets are known as protons or quantum. One quantum cannot be divided or distributed. Energy of each quantum or each quantum and frequency of radiation. Electromagnetic E that refers to nu, E equal to h nu. Therefore, E equal to h c by lambda. Because nu equal to c by lambda is a formula. Apply to nu value. So where h means blank constant. H means blank constant. 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 second inverse. So next question, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle for position and momentum tells us that there is a fundamental limit to how precisely we can know these values for a system. Del x del b equal to h by 2, where del represents uncertainty in quantity and h is the reduced blank constant minus h by 2 lambda. 2 by. This is Schrödinger wave equation. The Schrödinger wave equation, very important question. Energy equal to kinetic energy. K means kinetic energy plus potential energy. P means potential energy. Therefore, E equal to half mv square plus V. Half mv square plus V. Kinetic energy formula half mv square plus potential energy equal to V. Or of m square v square divided by m plus v. Therefore, E equal to p square divided by 2m plus v. On multiplying both sides by psi, E psi equal to p square divided by 2m plus v whole psi. On putting values of p psi from equation 12, E psi equal to 1 by 2m into minus IH whole square and del square psi ds del x square plus b psi. E psi equal to h square minus h square divided by 2m dou square psi and dou s square plus v psi. H square divided by 2m dou square psi divided by dou s square plus E minus v psi equal to 0. Therefore, Schrödinger wave equation d square psi divided by ds square and 2m divided by h square E minus v whole psi equal to 0. This is time independent Schrödinger equation for one dimension motion particles. For three dimensional motion. For three dimensional motion, dou square psi divided by dou s square, dou square psi divided by dou y square and plus dou squared psi by dou z square whole bracket plus 2m divided by h square E minus v psi E minus v whole bracket psi equal to 0. This is Schrödinger wave equation. Dou square psi divided by dou s square and 8 pi squared m divided by h square E minus v whole square by psi whole bracket psi equal to 0. Dou means second derivative with respect to x. Position. Schrödinger wave function. Psi is a Schrödinger wave function. E equal to energy, V equal to potential energy. Second important topic, quantum numbers. The numbers used for completely characterizing each electrons of atom are known as quantum numbers. 4 such quantum numbers are found to be necessary for describing an electron completely. First one principal quantum number, second one azimuthal quantum number, third one magnetic quantum number, fourth one spin quantum number. First one principal quantum numbers. The principal quantum numbers is small n, symbol represented small n, determines the size and to large extent the energy of the orbital. It tell about the shell to the electron belongs. With increase in the value of n, the number of allowed orbital increases and are given by n square. So size of the orbital is directly proportional to principal quantum number. And magnetic quantum number, symbol small m, explains the effect of an orbital in magnetic field, the orients of an orbital. Orbitals split up into degenerate orbitals in a magnetic field. What the degenerate orbitals having same energy and size. Each degenerate orbitals can hold up to 2 electrons. And spin quantum number, symbol small m, yes. The Pauli exclusion principle states that no two electrons can have the same 4 quantum numbers. This means that if an orbital is holding 2 electrons, then the electrons must be spinning is in opposite direction to one another. One clockwise and another one anti-clockwise. Ms has two values, one plus of and another one minus of. Plus of is a clockwise, minus of is a anti-clockwise rotation. Next one, azimuthal quantum number, symbol small l. For n equal to 1, L can have only one value, 0. Example 0, it means that electron in first energy level can be present only in S subcell L equal to 0. So first energy level has only one subcell 1s. For N2, L can have values 0 and 1. It means that the electron in second principal energy level may be located either S subcell L equal to 0 or P subcell L equal to 1. This is for quantum number, principal quantum number symbol small n, possible values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And angular momentum quantum number symbol is small l, 0, 1, 2, 3 or formula n minus 1. And magnetic quantum number m, l minus 1, L2 plus L. Spin quantum numbers only plus of and another one minus of. That's all. And important one, quantum numbers and its significations. Listen, this box is cell. Four types of cells: K cell, L cell, and M cell and N cell. First one, K and L. Principal quantum number symbol N, and maximum number of electrons in a cell. Listen carefully. Maximum number of electrons in a cell. To formula 2n square. And another one, azimuthal quantum number. Symbol small l, values 0, 1 or formula n minus 1. So azimuthal quantum number, maximum number of electrons in a orbital. Formula 2 into 2l plus 1. Magnetic quantum number, different possible orientations of orbital and destination. Listen, K cell, first one, L cell 2, next one M, last one N. Formula 2n square, 2, 8, 2, 8, next 18 and 32. Azimuthal quantum number 0, K 0 and L 2 values, therefore 0 and 1. Okay, maximum number of electrons 2 and 6. 0, 0, minus 1, 2, plus 1, 1s, 2s, 2ps, 2py, 2pz. Listen, M and N. Listen carefully, I explained only N. You understand? Very, very important. Please listen carefully. I explained only N. N atomic, N principal quantum number, 4th place. Therefore, 4. Principal quantum number 4. 2 into 4 whole square, 32. Okay. Azimuthal quantum number L. How many values start? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. And maximum number of electrons in the orbital formula 0 na 2 electrons. 1, 6 electrons. 2, 10 electrons. 3, 14 electrons. Maximum magnetic quantum number start 0, 2 plus 1 of minus 1. 0, 1 plus minus 1 to plus 1, 2 minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2, and 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. Destination of a destination of arbiters in a given cell, 4x 4px 4p 4p 4dx squared, etc. Orbitals, filling orbitals. First one, the alpha principle says that orbitals are filled from the bottom to the top. Our electrons will fill the orbitals with lower energy first. Nucleus first orbital, second orbital. This is alpha principle diagram. Filled one, lowest energy, 1 2x 3p 3x 3p 4x 3d 4p 5x and etc. So energy levels, this is energy level diagrams. Listen, oneness, I explained oneness, n equal to 1, s where l value 0, therefore 1 plus 0 1. Listen, 2d and 4, you look very important, 2d and 4, 4x, 2d, number n symbol 3, d 0, d values 0 1 2, s p d, okay, 0 1 2, 2 values, and 3 plus 2 5, energy level 5. Look, 4x, n4, x orbital l value 0, therefore 4 plus 0 4. But energy level is a high 3d or 4x. 3d is a highest energy level compared to 4x. Okay. So next one, Pauli exclusion principle. The principle states that no two electrons in an atom can have same set of all the 4 quantum numbers. From this it follows that an orbital cannot have more than 2 electrons. Moreover, if an orbitals have 2 electrons, then they must have opposite spins. One clockwise spin and another one anti-clockwise spin. This is exchange energy. Spinning of electrons introduce a new type of quantum mechanical interaction called exchange energy. For example, the d5 orbitals. This is d5 orbitals. This is d4 orbitals. This is d5. This is d4. How many exchanges by 5 orbitals? How many exchanges? 4 exchanges. Next one 3. Next one 2. Next one 1. Look the picture. 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 and 1. Total overall electron exchanges 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 10. And d4, first one 3, second one 2, and third one only 1. Therefore, overall electron exchanges 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. That's all. Shapes of orbitals, x orbital shapes, spherical symmetry, mathematically all same sign, no nodes. P orbitals, dumbbell shaped, 2 lobes of opposite mathematical sign and one node at the nucleus. And d orbital, 4 lobes and 2 nodes. D orbital do not play a major role in organic chemistry as to the s and p orbitals. Organic chemists do not often venture into this area. It's a clever shape. P orbitals, dumbbell shape. The p subshell can hold a maximum number of 6 electrons in 3p orbits. And shapes of d orbitals. This is p orbitals, shapes of d orbitals. D orbitals are present in a d substance for which n equal to 3, l equal to 2, and m equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, 5. There are 5 orientations leading to 5 different orbitals. Where are dx, dy, z, this is dxy, dyz, dzdx, ds square minus y square, and dz square. The first four elements have double dumbbell or clever leaf shape, and the fifth has donut shape. This is spherical shape, S orbital. This is p orbital, dumbbell shape, and d orbital. First three is a spherical shape. First four elements have double dumbbell or clever leaves, and last one dumbbell shape. Listen, students, listen carefully. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Today's homework in chemistry: define exchange energy and explain alpha principle and Pauli exclusion principle. And third question, explain Bohr's atomic model and limitations. And fourth question, draw the shape of orbitals. And fifth important question, explain Planck's quantum number. Okay students, here I give 5 questions for you. So you have to think and answer these questions and write these questions and answers 3 times in your homework note, and also write test in your slip test note, chemistry slip test note, and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay students, thank you. God bless you, my dear. God bless you.